Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid's Tip of the Week. In this video, we are showcasing our category markup feature. BlinkBid gives you the ability to add markup to specific categories inside the job. Under the Financials tab, you will find the markup feature, which contains a markup by category field. From there, you can name a category markup, enter a percentage, and take off the specific categories you want the markup applied to. Press Save and the markup will be tracked in the black totals bar at the bottom of the window under the markup, and will print on the document inside the number stack. You can add multiple category markups, which will be housed here, with the ability to delete or edit. You can change how the markup label appears in Settings, Document Appearance, and then Label and Section Text under the Job Markup label. Thank you so much for watching Tip of the Week. Contact BlinkBid support with any questions, and enjoy.